You might be in a situation where for some reason your TikTok messages are just not working out. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically within TikTok, sometimes if you go ahead and try to send a message or something, they may not be working. So the very first thing you want to do is if you go and take a look here, you can see that I had a failed message that sent. Now, the reason why this failed is because Mr. Beast does not follow me and he's a massive celebrity. So if you're trying to go through and send messages to a bunch of people and the messages are just not sending, or if they're just not being delivered, like in this case, I don't even think this one got delivered, well, it's because Mr. Beast doesn't have the ability of seeing it because he probably gets so many, and there's no point in messaging these people unless they follow you back. Now, let's say it's a friend or somebody. Let's say it's a friend that you're messaging, and for some reason, nobody's messaging back or it's not working. Well, the first thing you want to do is try again. So if you're able to click hi, you're able to say whatever, you want to see if there's a resend option. If there's a resend option or a resend button, you want to go and click on that. Just like how I had it right here with the Mr. Beast one, you want to go ahead and click on resend and try resending that message. You also want to go ahead and make sure that you have your Wi-Fi signal and cell signal all set up properly, because if those aren't set up properly, then clearly that's not going to work out. So you can check this by going inside of like a different application. So you can make your way over to like the App Store, for example, see if this ends up fixing it, which for a lot of people, this will probably end up doing it. But try different apps, see if any of those things end up fixing it too. If that doesn't seem to be the problem, the next thing you want to do is go inside of your App Store and go ahead and update the TikTok application. So go ahead and find TikTok just like this and go ahead and update the app. Like I said, for basically every single person out there, all you're going to have to do is go ahead and update the app, and that's pretty much it. That's all I've had to do most of the time, and that may end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites. And all these websites are going to do is just going to show you what's down and what's up, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. If it's down, you don't really have to do anything, but if it's up, then there's probably another issue going on. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.